If you're looking for an easy way to join a Telegram channel, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently find and join both public and private Telegram channels using a few simple methods. Let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about joining channels on your mobile device. I'll walk you through both iOS and Android since the process is nearly identical. Think of public channels like open clubs anyone can walk into, while private channels are more like invite-only gatherings. For public channels, you have two main options: searching directly within Telegram or using an invitation link. Let's start with searching for a public channel from inside the Telegram app. Grab your phone and open Telegram. At the top of your screen, whether you're on Android or iOS, you'll spot a search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass, usually at the upper right if you're using Android or at the very top on iOS. Go ahead and tap that. Now enter the keywords or the exact username of the channel you're interested in. For example, if you wanted the latest tech updates, you could type something like Tech News or the exact handle, say at Tech Updates Official. Telegram will show you search results labeled Global Search. If nothing comes up right away, don't worry, just tap Show More to see a broader list of channels matching your search. Browse the results and tap on the channel that looks right. Once you're inside the channel's page, there's a clear Join button at the bottom. Hit that and you're now a subscriber. This lets you see all future posts from the channel so you never miss out. But what if the channel isn't public or you have been given a specific invite link? That brings us to method 2. Invitation links work for both public and private channels. Maybe someone sent you a link in an email, text, or shared it on a website. These usually start with TME. All you need to do is tap the link, and Telegram will automatically prompt you to open the channel. You'll see the Join button at the bottom again. Just tap it and you're in. Quick note, if you're joining a private channel, remember it won't show up in Telegram's search. The invite link truly is your one golden ticket. Don't worry if you can't find it otherwise. Now, how about joining a channel from your computer? The steps on Telegram desktop or Telegram web are almost identical to mobile, with just a few small differences. Open your Telegram desktop app or head to web.telegram.org in your browser. At the top left corner, you'll find the search field. Type in the name or username of the channel you want. The results will display in a list. Just click on your chosen channel. You'll find the Join button at the bottom of the window. Click it to subscribe. And just like on mobile, you can also join via an invitation link from your computer. Click the link from your email, message, or wherever you found it. Telegram will guide you to open the channel in either the desktop app or the browser. Once again, a single click on Join and you're all set. As you can see, joining a Telegram channel is pretty straightforward, and you have flexible options whether you're on your phone or your computer. Public channels are searchable, while invite links open the door to private ones. If you run into any trouble, double-check for the correct spelling of the channel's username or make sure the invite link is valid. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know your questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.